Alright, for the next one we're doing the lower control arm bushings. To press these out, they are two different sizes, so we'll probably be using two different dies. I have a ball joint removal tool. You may or may not have or have access to one. It's very convenient for stuff like this. With a big ass C-clamp. I've got the right size cup. Again, it sits on the steel fucking sleeve because the sleeve is staying still. I'm going to, only on the bigger one, has those inner washers there. You see here that we had to remove. The other side does not have that. It's just a sleeve, so this one could probably stay in there. I'm gonna knock it out anyway. Since I'm here, I had to do the other one. Do that nice and slow so you don't smash your fucking finger. I plan to do that. I don't think you had to do it on this one. I think it'll clear as it's smaller than the bushing, but I'm taking it out anyway just in case we need it. Now, take our cup and our adapter here. Like that. That one came out pretty decent. A couple chunks out, it's probably still in there. I'll try to soak it in something like maybe some fucking gasoline or fuel or something. See if it'll fucking help dissolve some of that rubber in there on both of these things before I press the new ones in. I gotta clean it all up anyway. Then I'm gonna paint those too. Maybe, or just clean them up because they're aluminum. Leave them fucking clean. We'll see. Might paint them silver or some shit, just to maybe be easier to clean next time. So that's removal of all the bushings and clean up, paint. I don't know what else I got left to do before everything starts coming back. So that'll be it for this part. We'll see what comes up next. All right, now that we've got everything pushed out, I went ahead and cleaned these up a little bit, painted them black again. So they look nice and fresh. Brand used, I like to say. So, put bushings in. It seems like these things are pretty straightforward. These seem to slip in already decently. As it was, I was just kind of test fit a little bit. Able to push them in by hand. See there. On it and all the way. I can see right there. Trace these bastards up too. Push them on in. Alright, now we got the rears. Cleaned these up, painted them. silver. Should be a little, probably won't hold the dirt as well as it did before with just raw aluminum. It's so porous and the dirt and everything just kind of gets really up in there, hangs out, it's hard to get out of. So I pressure wash these things, scrub them, hit them with a wire wheel, and primed them and painted them aluminum. You really work on next. We'll see. Get this piece together piece by piece. Check out, see what's next here that I got, and get back to it.